You know it's coming. You know it's coming with Shaheen. West Indies are away. You don't blame Shaheen for looking for that swing, but you can use the pace and use the in-drift. Shea Hope has done that. Got in. Pitch stop, and that's a big wicket. An in-form batsman is gone, and that typical celebration from Shaheen Shah. It's not a great shot from Palmes, out of position.
Bowling goes across the line, a little bit of a heave, but Wasim Jr. strikes with a Brandon King walks out as West Indies. Now this will be bowling. Pakistan have another. Samad flags it up, turns it, hits top of off.
Big job.
Yeah, and suddenly
Well, I reckon that West Indies' chances now rest solely.
tidy start from Shadab as well. Goes for 3, it's 75 for 3.
Big shot. That is a huge hit, sails all the way over the fence from Puran. Ends the over with a maximum 6.
At Puran, that's a good shot. It's a far better shot than I thought. It's lovely. Oh, dropped it. That was the matchup. And it was short of a length. I don't think he intended for it to be that wide outside the off stump, but almost the plan worked, almost. But how many times I've seen Brooks get out sweeping this season, this year, against the spin.
Plays the lap sweep just for the single. I'm talking about Puran and how he almost 105 for 4.
Well, he's hit that really hard, came out, got to the pitch of it, hit through the line nicely, and that's gone miles back.
Some very positive batting.
Nicely put away. No hesitation from the umpire. And that's Robman Powell gone. Nawaz picks up another wicket. Bowled him straight through. And Nawaz is on a tear. And West Indies' last hope has to go back to the pavilion.
Big shout. Once again, the finger goes up.
Third umpire to the
He's reviewed it once again.
Player review for LBW. Original position is out. Start with the front foot, please.
The spin about the spinners, that one just rolls down leg. Will that get to the fence? Yes, it does.